Welcome back to A to Z Vocabulary, where you learn 10 new words every day, one letter at a time. Today is day 15. We are exploring 10 interesting words that start with the letter O. Stay with us till the end, learn all 10 words, and then attempt the quiz to test your knowledge. Our first word today is oblivious. It is an adjective, which means it describes a person or thing, in this case, being unaware or not noticing something happening around them. Oblivious means not aware of or not paying attention to what is happening. Let's use it in sentences. She was oblivious to the people calling her name. This means she didn't notice that people were calling her because she was lost in her own thoughts. She kept talking on the phone, oblivious to the waiter trying to take her order. She was so focused on her phone call that she didn't realize the waiter was waiting beside her. Our next word today is obligatory. It is an adjective, which means it describes something, in this case, something that is required by law, rules, or duty. Obligatory means something you must do because it is expected or enforced. Let's see it in sentences. Wearing seatbelts is obligatory for all passengers in the car. Everyone in the car has to wear a seatbelt to follow the law and stay safe. Attending the morning assembly is obligatory for all students. This means students must attend the assembly because the school requires it. Our next word today is obscure. It is an adjective, which describes something that is not clear, hard to understand, or unknown to most people. Obscure means difficult to see, hear, or understand, not well known. Let's see it in sentences. The professor used obscure terms during the lecture. The words used by the professor were complicated, and most students found them hard to understand. He enjoys listening to obscure music bands from other countries. These bands are not popular or widely known, making them unique and rare. Our next word today is obstinate. It is an adjective which describes someone who refuses to change their opinion or behavior, even when it might be better to do so. Obstinate means stubborn and unwilling to compromise or listen to reason. Let's see it in sentences. The child was obstinate and refused to eat his vegetables. He would not change his mind or listen to anyone, even though eating vegetables was good for him. She remained obstinate about taking the longer route home, despite the heavy traffic reports. She insisted on her own decision and ignored advice, showing determination, but also stubbornness. Our next word today is ominous. It is an adjective which describes something that gives the feeling that something bad or unpleasant is going to happen. Ominous means threatening or suggesting danger ahead. Let's see it in sentences. Dark clouds gave an ominous feeling before the storm. The sky looked threatening, signaling that a storm was about to arrive. The abandoned house had an ominous atmosphere. The house looked eerie and made anyone nearby feel uneasy or worried. Our sixth word for today is omnipotent. It is an adjective which describes someone or something that has unlimited power and can do anything. Omnipotent means all-powerful, able to control everything without limitation. Let's see it in sentences. The CEO acted as if he were omnipotent, making every decision without consulting anyone. He controlled every aspect of the company, leaving no room for input or discussion from his team. Many ancient cultures believed their gods were omnipotent. People thought their gods could influence nature, human lives, and the fate of the world, holding complete authority over everything. Our next word today is omniscient. It is an adjective which describes someone or something that knows everything, including all thoughts, feelings, and events. Omniscient means all-knowing, having complete knowledge about everything. Let's see it in sentences. The teacher seemed omniscient, instantly knowing who had not completed their homework. She noticed details in the classroom that others overlooked, as if she knew everything. She was omniscient about the office gossip, always knowing what everyone had said or done. She had complete awareness of the events and conversations in her workplace. Our next word today is opaque. It is an adjective which describes something that cannot be seen through or is hard to understand. Opaque means not transparent, difficult to see, understand, or interpret. Let's see it in sentences. The bathroom window is opaque for privacy. The window blocks vision, preventing anyone from seeing through it. The instructions were written in an opaque style, confusing everyone. The directions were difficult to interpret, making it hard for people to follow them. Our next word today is optimistic. It is an adjective which describes someone who expects good things to happen or focuses on the positive side of situations. Optimistic means hopeful and confident about the future. Let's see it in sentences. She stayed optimistic even after losing her job. Despite a difficult situation, she believed that better opportunities were ahead. Despite the rainy day, she remained optimistic about the picnic tomorrow. Even though the weather was bad today, she focused on the hope that the picnic would go well tomorrow. Our last word for today is ostentatious. It is an adjective which describes something or someone that is showy, designed to attract attention, or meant to impress others. Ostentatious means flashy, extravagant, or over the top in a way that draws notice. Let's see it in sentences. He wore an ostentatious gold watch to the party. His watch was extremely flashy, meant to show off wealth and attract attention. He drove an ostentatious sports car through the city streets. The car was flashy and attention-grabbing, showing off wealth and style. Now, let's test your memory with a quick quiz time. I'll give you a question, and you choose the correct answer. Ready? Let's see how well you know today's words. If someone is oblivious, they are likely to A. Notice everything happening around them. B. Ignore what is happening nearby. C. Solve problems quickly. D. Share their thoughts openly. The correct answer is B. Ignore what is happening nearby. Which situation best represents something obscure? A. A sign written in a language no one understands. B. A brightly lit billboard on a highway. C. A popular movie everyone has seen. D. A clear glass of water. The correct answer is A. A sign written in a language no one understands. An omniscient narrator in a story. A. Knows nothing about the characters. B. Knows everything, including all characters' thoughts. C. Only tells the story from one character's perspective. D. Speaks only through dialogue. The correct answer is B. Knows everything, including all characters' thoughts. An optimistic person is likely to A. Expect the worst in every situation. B. Complain frequently. C. Avoid making plans. D. Focus on positive outcomes. The The correct answer is D. Focus on positive outcomes. Which of the following is an obligatory action? A. Watching a movie at home. B. Choosing your favorite color. C. Paying taxes on time. D. Eating dessert first. The correct answer is C. Paying taxes on time. And that's a wrap for today's O words. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next batch of exciting words. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!